Ric Flair is one of pro wrestling's all-time greats who's had a big impact in and out of the ring.
Sports director Chris Womack introduces us to this week's game changer who says imitation is the sincerest form of flattery.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
There are some people you know without having to see their face.
It's definitely, for sure, a wild one.
I think he enjoys what he does and is passionate about it.
Thousands know who Tommy Guerin is. They just didn't know that's his name.
I'd probably say about 60 or 70% of my life is Ric Flair, Nature Boy, and other like 20, 30% is Tommy. Y'all guys are the best.
Guerin brings Flair into every room.
A wrestler's always a wrestler.
He's a part-time wrestler.
Woo! Look like your style and profile, limousine ride. Well, woo! Jet flying. Woo!
But best known for being a Ric Flair impersonator.
You have to kind of have the same, the same thing, hit the same vibration, the same energy that he had,
The origin story was meeting the real Nature Boy as a child. And then as Guerin got older, his hair got longer.
One thing and another, I got the robes. I said, wow, this is neat. How's this going to look on me? I don't know, Chris, before I knew it, holy cow.
Opinions vary on his act.
Oh yeah, I get the haters. Yeah, it's just that just even pushes me more. The people don't, the guys that don't like me. The reason I'm doing this, or I don't know if it's jealousy or what.
But the persona is based in love, loving the reactions on people's faces, and the unending love
Woo!
for one of the most famous wrestlers ever.
Look at my shadow.
Oh yeah, I see your shadow, buddy.
I don't know if he even knows about me or not. To be honest with you. He's got to know about me by now. I mean, he may not. But I would like for him to know, I met him a long time ago, but I would like for him to know that I'm doing this in his behalf because, what he represented, back when he wrestled.
And chasing a dream that's made him one of the most famous people in Western North Carolina.
Don't never say you can't do that, There'll always be more room to move up, to move up, go to the top. Always more room. So you put your mind to something. You can do about anything, Chris. Put your mind to it.
Do you miss anonymity, like kind of just blending in with the crowd?
Nah. Absolutely not, no. Should I?
He definitely does not blend in with the crowd.
Woo!